Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch a Kia Stinger. First, it is crucial to ensure your vehicle is properly warmed up. This means the engine, transmission, and coolant should all be at their ideal operating temperatures. Next, twist your drive mode selector to sport mode for maximum performance. Always make sure your steering wheel is perfectly straight and you are in a safe, controlled environment like a track before attempting a launch. Now let's engage launch control. Locate the electronic stability control button and press, and hold it for approximately 3 seconds. You'll see an indication on your gauge cluster confirming that both traction control and stability control are fully disabled. This is essential for a proper launch. With your right foot ready, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your left foot, preparing for the next step. With your left foot still firmly on the brake, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot. The engine revolutions will build, typically settling between 2,000 and 2,200 RPM. Watch your gauge cluster for the message, "Launch control ready." Once this appears, you have about 4 seconds to release the brake pedal quickly and smoothly. Hold on tight as your Stinger rockets forward. The factory launch control is designed to optimize your Stinger's acceleration, usually holding the engine at around 2,000 to 2,200 revolutions per minute. While exhilarating, remember that launch control puts significant stress on your vehicle's drivetrain, so use it sparingly. For the best possible performance, premium fuel is recommended, although your Stinger runs perfectly fine on standard 87 octane. Enjoy the thrill responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.